Okay, so I'm back here at Floyd's pond, filming in 4K, and today I thought of a cool idea. This right here is a paper boat I made, and as you can tell, it's called the SS Floyd, and I want to see just what happens if I put it in Floyd's pond and how long it'll last, if it'll float. You get the idea. So without further ado, I'll make sure I don't drop my camera, and I'm going to walk on close, and good luck. What do they say before they, like, sail a ship? I don't remember, but, ahoy or something? I don't know. Here we go. Set sail, SS Floyd. Floyd. No! Take it on water. There it goes. Sort of. Come on. Doesn't want to go. There we go. Now it's going. Good luck on your voyage. This bug doesn't want to leave. Well, didn't make it very far, but at the very least I can get some 4K footage of whatever this is. And that's just gonna have to do for today.